Hey, it's Chris. I'm down in my old basement, and I've got a ton of old skis here from my kids growing up. Nobody will take them anymore because they're over 10 years old, so I got an idea for a project. I've got my pile of skis. I'm going to turn into furniture. I'm unscrewing the bindings here. You just have to take several screws out and they come right off. I've also got an old snowboard, which I'm going to try to incorporate. I bought a piece of decking, the plastic material, and I have my template that I cut out. And I made one, so you got to flip it for the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out now. I've got the two bottoms cut out. And they're almost the same, not perfect, but close. I've used a square to set the leg angle here. And then I drilled two pilot holes and put two screws in just to hold it for a minute so I can drill the holes for the bolts. I've got some carriage bolts here to go in the holes. And I've got some nuts and washers to put on the back. I now have both the legs done, the legs in the seat base. I cut the seat back. I screwed it in the back and drilled holes. And now I just have to put the bolts in. I needed a flat floor, so I moved to the garage for a bit here. I've made a piece in the front that I screwed in. And then I cut these two pieces in the back. I've got all my 21-inch pieces of skis that I cut up, and I'm drilling two holes in each end. I've attached the bottom pieces. Now I'm going to work on the arms. This is one of the chair arms. I used a jigsaw to cut it out. This is the old snowboard. And I used the grinder to grind down the edges because I didn't want them to be too sharp here, cut anybody. I made brackets that go onto the arm rest to help support it. Now I have to trim them. Well, I've got the seat done and the snowboard for the two arms. And I made brackets to hold up the arms. Now I have to work on the back to put some nailers so I can attach the back skis. So I've put 2 backing boards on here, and now I can screw the upright skis in. Well, I finished the back and it came out really nice. It's really comfortable too. I couldn't resist seeing what it looked like in the snow. This has been a really rewarding project. The chair came out really nice. I'm really happy with it, and it's really comfortable. If it was helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and have a great day.